Alright, we got a Chevy Cobalt here with a rattling noise, clearly timing. I think we may have found what we're dealing with here. It's a little chattering. It runs pretty well, but I'd expected to see a little more slack than this. But clearly something's been rubbing here. And something's broke off, I believe. I found it. Let's see if I can shine a light in here so you can see it. Right there he is. See what the hell that is. Alright, I think I found another part of the chattering. And this is what I expected to see here. Yep, there it goes. Bam. That's a bad tensioner. Do that 1,000 times a minute, you done made a saw. Which end up sawing off this piece from right there. About ruined the whole motor. Good thing you cut it in time.